Today we're going to be working on my 2001 Toyota Camry. We got to replace the front brake pads on it. If you guys are interested, stay tuned. Let's get wrenching. Hey everyone, how's it going? It is John. Y'all know me as Turning Wrenches 85 here. Hope everybody's having a good one so far. Today, in my driveway, we are going to be working on my Toyota Camry 2001 2.2 liter engine. We are going to be replacing the front brake pads on it. Here, started to notice a little bit of grinding noise, so hopefully not too bad. So I went to O'Reilly's, picked up the brake pads for it, and we're going to install them here on the car. So without further ado, let me get the tools ready, get you guys set up on the tripod, and doing an oil change at the same time, but you guys know oil changes, so we're not going to worry about that. So let me get you guys turned around and we'll start working on it. Okay, front of the car, here we'll start with the front ones. This side first, the driver's side. So pop the beauty cap off, I got gloves on already, because look, I already got my hands dirty. There. Now we need to get the lug nuts off, and I think on my car, if I'm correct, 13/16 socket. So go ahead and buzz these off. It should be fully charged. I am. So should be able to pop them off. Well, hot tamales. So I just rolled the car, so of course I don't have to worry about hitting the wheel. Oopsie daisy. Set this off to the side. Like I said, I'm doing an oil change at the same time here, so check my rotors. Well, they got a little bit of waves, not too bad, but the pads, they are low. So put this underneath there to support it. So let's get these off next. This should be a 14, if I'm not mistaken. I probably am, but we'll see. We're gonna find out. You guys want to be a little bit closer to me, don't you? Oh, you guys can't see anything. Okay, we need to get might need to get a light on the situation. It's a little bit dark through there. Is it better on this? Yeah, it's better on this side. We'll get you guys on that side better. Alright, we'll try not to get in the way. I think this should be a 14. And it's a little bit loose. Let me make sure. Let's try a 13. Okay, so it's not a 13. So it is a 14 to get this off. That's no problem. So 14, we got two slider bolts to take off. There's one up here. Usually they're not on there too tight. Got one right there. Usually I could take my palm with it. And these are two, they're, what do they call them? Not slider bolts, well, these are the regular 14 bolts. Okay. But your caliper pins, it's supposed to take the caliper off. There we go. And there's your two bolts right there. They're 14s. I'm going to clean those off a little bit. They do look a little dirty. Let's get this off. I do have one of those hooks for the calipers. I didn't bring it out here with me. So, let's see how these pads look. Well, they're not too bad, but they are got some waves in them. Let's see what they look on this side. They're at the, well, that's kind of weird. They don't have no sensor on there. MKD 697. So these have been replaced recently, but look at this. This stuff's already coming off of here. So that's no bueno. That's probably better off for switching them anyway. They are a little worn, but that's okay. I got some new ones to throw on there, so that's no big deal. There. Let me give me a few minutes. I gotta go get some brake cleaner, and I'm gonna clean this up real quick. Get this a little bit fancier, and shouldn't be a straightforward job to get this done. So let me go ahead and get some brake cleaner real quick, clean that off. Okay, I'm back. That was a few seconds for you guys. A little bit for me. I got my caliper hook. I mean, you can use a bungee cord. I got one of these because I didn't want to have to keep looking for bungee cords to look for this stuff. So this, you know, you can hang this right above your shock, like so, and put it out of your way right there. Let's see. Let me look in the. Bring you guys over here real quick. Come on, come over here. You guys see? Yes. Okay, this is it right here. Brakes, limited lifetime warranty, $62.99. I went for the bigger one. They had the cheaper one at O'Reilly's for $33, but the guy at the counter advised me against it because he said it will make noise like crazy and they will wear out quicker. So here we go, right here. Fancy kit. Look at this. Import direct OEM replacement parts. I like the little foam thing. So we got all the hardware and the wear guide for it. Plenty of meat on the bone right there. So, all new brackets. We got the little wires to hold them in as well. Yeah, they do got the little wires to hold them in. Okay, sweet. Mine didn't actually come with that. That's kind of odd. Okay, well, anyway, go ahead and pop these clips out. Let's try to anyway. Are they separate? Yeah. Okay, these are separate. So we're going to put all new hardware on here. Now, these are optional. You guys can replace your hardware. It'd probably be better to recommend. I recommend you guys replace them. So we're going to do that. Hey, you know what? This is cool. This is original Toyota part. 60-28 Toyota 11029 Alson IL. I don't know if that means Illinois or what. I'm not sure. Anyhow, let's get some brake clean. I'm going to clean this real quick. Brake clean. Oh, you guys can't see. Let's move you guys right there. Can you guys see? Am I in the light? I am in. Okay, well, there's some light right there. Let's clean all this off. Look at all that brake dust coming off of there. Spared no expense. I will grease the caliper slides to make sure they're good as well. Awesome. You guys, are you guys able to see, or am I going to be in the light now? Put you guys right there. I will try not to get in the way, if possible. Okay. But I'll bust out the new hardware that came with it. So, things like the wear selectors. Give you a lot of wear selectors things for it. Doesn't matter which one you have for your vehicle. Give you a lot of different hardware. I don't think I have the one that they're showing right here. I guess some of them are wear selectors. Different wear selectors. They give you a bunch of them. This is the ones you put on your pads. Okay, well, let's see. That doesn't go there. Okay, well, that's kind of odd. I'm just looking at something on here and see what. Okay, so they go like that on the old ones. Oh, okay, I see. I see now. Okay. We got it. Maybe they go up like so. Okay, there we go. This is a matter of trying to get the clips in. Unfortunately, I'm not going to be able to show you guys this side. I don't think. Maybe I'll show you guys after I get the clips on here. Let me get these clips on real quick, and then I'll show you guys what's going on. Alright, let's get the brake pads on. I got the caliper slides on. Just gotta put the wear sensors on. And it looks like you just only put it on one of them. Which we're gonna put it on that one. Right there, minus the glove it just took away from me. Now I do need to put some grease on these things as well. So let's get some grease real quick on here. Alright, got those caliper slide pins on. So we're going to go ahead and I already got the locator thing. I'm going to put it on the inside of the pad on the rotor here. So I forgot to get grease while I was there, but I still had some from another one I did a long time ago back. So I'll go ahead and Go ahead and put that on there. This pad's going to go on the inside. Like so. One thing about when you put hardware, new hardware on there, everything don't want to go like it's supposed to. You need to put some grease on those things too as well. Go ahead and do that while we're here. Gotta go over that lip. Okay. Kind of weird. Normally I wouldn't have that trouble putting brake pads on. Because probably new hardware and the way these pins are on here. Kind of odd. Huh. Okay. Very strange how that works on there, huh? Almost felt like I should have left the other ones on there. Being difficult. Normally it wouldn't be that hard to put brake pads on. On my car, seems like a whole different story. I don't like the way that's sitting though. Says it's supposed to go like that. I'm not liking that though. I know you said to go with the OEM hardware, but I'm having an issue with it where it's not springing back. And that should... Odd. Maybe... I know I shouldn't do this, but I'm going to. Let's just see something real quick on that. Never seen a brake pad to do that. Huh. That's interesting. I'm trying to put this on and it's dropping off of there. I don't know why it's doing that. It's almost acting like I gotta take the brake pad off there. The shoe off, the caliper bracket off of there. Very interesting. This is very odd. Let me figure this out, what I'm doing wrong here. Okay, so of course it's starting to get a little dark, but guess what? Is that going to stop me? No, because I have a light to put on here, and these brakes need to be done ASAP. Unfortunately, the little sensor things I had, the little caliper slides I had to put on here are being a little bit of a pain in the tuchus right now. So I have to fight with that at the moment. So put the sides on here. Go ahead and put these on here now. Put a little bit of grease. On here as well. You don't need that much on here for them. What's weird is they are really tight. Tight to the fact that you almost have to hit them on there. And I didn't think you had to, honestly. But I guess in my case, I do. I didn't think you were supposed to, honestly. Okay. I put on brakes before. This is the oddest one I've ever done. And it's kind of weird. How it's set up. Because normally they would slide on. I have no issue with them. Unfortunately, this one I'm having a little bit of an issue with it not going on that pin like it should. You're not supposed to do that. You should be able to slide these on here, and I'm not sure what the issue is with them. Maybe they seat better when you get them in there, but never had no trouble putting on caliber slides like that. It's kind of odd. Just gonna look at something real quick. I'm gonna put the old ones on. Okay, well, that worked better. Maybe I should just keep the old ones on there. I'm having a hard time with these. I'm not sure what's going on with these, but they're not letting me get them on there the way they're supposed to. Odd. Because look, I can get the brake pads off and no problem. Okay. Put you guys on a time lapse real quick. I'm going to get the rest of these hooked up. Shouldn't be that hard to do. So, I already got this greased up. Let's go get this on here real quick though. Okay, O'Reilly, I don't have no problem with your stuff. I don't like the hardware that came with it. I'll be brutally honest. They're not sponsoring me. I paid this out of my own pocket. These brake pads. And the hardware thing, you should not have no struggle getting this on here. I should be able to slide these pads on. No problem. And here I'm having to reuse the same hardware that came off of it. Because, put the grease up there, grease up there. Grease up your brake pad. Unfortunately, I'm running out of grease. I think this grease is long gone. This thing, I think I got another one. But I got the wear sensor on here. This will go on the back of it, like so. go. On there. Good, sweet. All right. I just got to take that caliper bracket and slide it back on. And I got a tool for that real quick. I'm going to go get that real quick. I'll be right back. Okay. Got my caliper tool. This is the one I got from Harbor Freight. So the first thing you want to do, of all things here, is you want to come up to your car. You guys can't see. But right here, you want to pull this cap off for your brake fluid reservoir. Right there, like so. Take it off of there, see? And you're going to come down here. We're going to go to our caliper. It was supposed to be hanging up there. Now, take this tool. Normally I would take a C-clamp. I bought this thing at Harbor Freight when I saw it, and I figured this would be a lot better than using a C-clamp. So, I mean, C-clamp's nothing wrong with it. I have no problem with a C-clamp. I just like this a lot better. Because, look, you got this bracket with a screw. Just put that up against there. I mean, you're almost dealing with the same amount of threads as a C-clamp, honestly. But you got this bracket that pushes up against it, like so. As you can see. Try not to get in the way. And of course, once you put this on and you get your you do this to the other side. I'm going to do this to the other side as well. I'm going to push this all the way to the back. And then, of course, you want to pump your brakes to get them back to there, because, of course, you're pushing the caliper back in. Of course, in my case, I'm having to go almost all the way in. It was bad. Alright, should be good to go there. And you're going to put your bolts back on, which would be the 14s. I mean the 14s we took off. And I'll try to get it where you guys can see me. And see me what I'm doing too as well. Let me check my slide real quick and see how we're doing. Okay, so they're good, they're greased. Good. Just wanted to make sure. If I had to, I was going to put the grease on there. Or you want to put your caliper back on. This thing's rocking the OEM. OEM caliber on there. Not bad for 20 years old, then, huh? Let's hope it keeps going for 20 more years. Alright. Put this on. Put your 14 millimeter bolts on here to hold your caliper. Take my big old wrench, socket wrench. Make Make sure this is torqued down. Okay. Alright, good to go. Now I just gotta put a wheel back on and gotta work on the other side. So I'm gonna put you guys on a time lapse on that one, and then we'll work on the other side. So enjoy the music while I work on the other side of the brakes. I was going to do a little nighttime thing here because unfortunately it got dark. So I had to cut the time lapse a little short. So I already got the brakes on. I've already pumped the pedal. So let me see how it goes. Awesome so far. Sweet. I think you got it. Brake fluid was low. Brake fluid was low, but the only thing was, once I pumped the pedal back up, it went back to full, so we're good. So I think we got it. So short little video. Wasn't much of a video of me doing the brakes. It just took a little longer because I lost some of the hardware to it. But anyway, let's end this video. Alright guys, that's going to end this video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. I know it wasn't much of a video, but this is me wrenching on my 2001 Toyota Camry. It needed front brake pads, so we got it done. Got the fronts knocked out, so we're good. I think the backs are okay for right now. but I'll double check them. Unfortunately, Big Red is going to need some rear shoes, and unfortunately I think I tore up the drums, so it's going to need some drums, and I think one of the wheel cylinders is leaking too, so I'm going to have to do the whole shebang on Big Red. So I don't know if it's going to be a video. If it is, you guys will find out first. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it. It's been a long day. So anyway, keep on turning those wrenches, y'all. See you guys on the next video. Y'all take care.